In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a mask on Premiere Pro in 2026. So if you find the video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. So they have changed the way to create masks now. So all you need to do is go to the toolbar right here. If you can't see it, just go to Window and then click on Tools at the bottom. And now you have this option, which is the Object Mask tool. So this way you can find and automatically mask objects, but you can also long press the left click and you will find different tools to create a mask. So for example, if you want to create a rectangle mask, you can click this option right here and select where you want to create the mask. So for example, let's say I want to create it on this list to put a blur, for example. I can do this, and as you can see, I got the mask right here, and I could, for example, search for a Gaussian blur right here and apply it to this rectangle mask. So now if we scroll down, we can find the mask right here. So that's it. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.